Hola, welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about colors. Um, and here you are. It's pretty straightforward. So we have blanco um, for white, yeah, negro, black, amarillo, yellow, naranja, orange, rojo, red, beige. Some people say beige for beige, marrón, or some people say café, like coffee, for brown, azul, blue, verde, green, rosa, I think it's pink, violeta is more like a purple. Some people also call it púrpura, yeah, gris, gray, and that's it. I hope we have them all here. Yeah. Um, And we have also gold. Gold, it's dorado. Silver, plateado. Transparent, transparente. So that's it. If you want to ask what color is something, we're going to use de qué color es, and then you name the thing. ¿De qué color es tu carro? ¿De qué color es tu casa? ¿De qué color es el avión? The airplane. ¿De qué color es el teléfono? And so on. Yeah. If it's a plural thing, it's pretty much the same question, but instead we're going to use son. ¿De qué color son tus zapatos? ¿De qué color son las casas? ¿De qué color son los animales? ¿De qué color son los teléfonos? And so on. Good. One thing that I have to explain here is that colors are adjectives, and adjectives, as you might remember, go normally they go most of the times they go after the noun. Remember, if you want to say a black shirt, we say a shirt black. Yeah. First the noun and then the adjective. And because colors are adjectives, so we have to pay attention where to put them. So if we want to say the black phone, we say the phone black. El teléfono negro. Yeah. The White House. It's not going to be the White House, it's going to be the house white. La casa blanca. Um, all the adjectives that end with an O, if they end with an O, for the female versions, they are going to have an A instead. Blanco, negro, amarillo, rojo. What else we have here? That's it. Dorado, plateado. Those are the adjectives, colors we have with an O at the end. So in this case, when this happens, if it's a feminine, it's gonna this O is gonna become an A. Let's do the White House, yeah, and the white phone. So house is la casa, so it's feminine, and the phone is masculine, el teléfono. Yeah, el teléfono. So, how would you say the white phone? I'm going to give you 5 seconds to think about it, and then we carry on. Good. So the white phone is going to be el teléfono blanco with an O. How do you say the White House? La Casa Blanca. So here is going to be an A instead. Good. Let's do another example. Let's do rojo. It's red. Yeah, it's another color adjective that ends with an O. Let's use the same two nouns. The red house and the red phone. So how will you say the red phone? I'm going to give you 5 seconds again. Okay. The red phone would be el teléfono rojo. And how do you say the red house? I'm going to give you 5 seconds again. The red house would be la casa roja. Okay? That's it. The same happens for negro and amarillo. For the other colors that are also adjectives, but they don't end with an O, like naranja, beige, marrón, azul, verde, rosa, violeta, all these colors don't end with an O, transparente. So it works for both genders. The same. Let's say orange. La casa naranja. El teléfono naranja. So it doesn't matter if it's la or el, if it's feminine or masculine, it will always be naranja. Or let's use verde. La casa verde. El teléfono verde. So la casa verde, the greenhouse, el teléfono verde, the green telephone, the green phone. So as you can see, it doesn't change because it ends with another vowel different than O. Um, and that will be it. I hope you like these colors in this session. How to practice it? Well, just uh, talk about colors of things. Or if you want something in a specific color, you can say, I want the black shoes, or I want the red bicycle, this kind of things. Just try to introduce colors as much as you can. And that will be it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.